Hello everyone, welcome back to English Odyssey with me. Right now, I came in my house from outside because you can see I am sweating. So that's why it is uh, very hot today. That's why I am sweating, and I also worked for a long time. So that's why I am sweating. So I am explaining you what I did today. Okay, today I went to the answer camp in my close here. There, my one friend he requested me to join with him, so that's why I went there to meeting. And then we went there and we enjoying quality time there. And and also there are lots of friends here, and they're having some snacks with after Maghrib fair. So it was very enjoyable time for me after going there. And he also IELTS candidate, that's why he wanted to talk to me. That's why I went there. Okay, so it is very important to improve our speaking English, to talk and also by talking to other. So it's very crucial for you to improve your speaking English. Um, and you have to take time, because everything's take times to be a fluent, to be skillful. So you have to try your best to be a fluent speaker. And because you have to enter the font, because without swimming in the font you cannot learn the swimming, how to swim in the font. So you have to properly practice in good way. Okay, so you can step to learn spoken English by YouTube, because lots of resource have in our YouTube channel, in the lots of YouTube channel have in our country. And also there are lots of famous teacher in our country. They are helping to our beginner students like me how to improve speaking English very easily. So you can see right now I am very sweating. Okay, sweating because of bit hot today. And also I was walking a lot of time, because walking also very helpful for our body to improve our healthy. Okay, so you can also practice every day and also try your best to be a fluent speaker. Okay, and today I went there to improve my speaking English with my friend. Okay, and after coming, after he when I am coming in my house, I was seeing that lots of car have in the road because of the traffic jam, because traffic jam is very high in our country. So we are having problem with walking in the road. Okay, so right now it's also took lots of time to go my friend's house, which is very uh, bad for me, because it's taken my time, which time is very important for me. Okay, so this in this video I shared with you how I practice speaking and also today's my activities. Okay, so I will come again in front of you to improve my English speaking. Okay, and you can practice regularly to improve your speaking. Wherever you go, you can make videos to improve your speaking. Okay, I will come again in front of you. Till then, goodbye.